Inch up, boys. Inch up.
Ready.
Ready, boys. Stack up. Be ready on the Juggernaut. Be ready. On the choke. Defensive now. Boys, engage yung Juggernaut in 3, 2, 1. Boys, southeast. Nice one. Heal. Hammer, go back, boys. I'll drop you, di.
Kaninang baby ba?
Stabilize here.
Tangin.
Second party, may nakawatch pa rin ba sa Terry natin?
Andito
Okay, good shit, boys. Wait, hold. Another one. We just do engage on the gate. Boys, be careful.
Ready.
On the gate, be ready. On the gate, on the Juggernaut in 3, 2, 1. On the Juggernaut. Nice one.
Careful,
Be ready, ah.
looking on the choke.
Defensive now. Knight armor. Get your cooldown. Get your cooldown. Good shit. Yo, boys, defensive now. Pats. Wait, hold on. Juggernaut, how many seconds? Keep stacking.
Ready ako.
Boys,
Ready.
walking. Just walking. Engaging southeast in 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Wipe them. Nice one.
Nice.
Kill them. They're running. They're gonna run. Hindi na tayo propose sa FB kasi they're not gonna post in YouTube because they're fucking loose. That's how they do it. They only post the fucking winning shit. They get one tap. Kill them. See? They only know how to brawl.
What the fuck?
Fucking stupid shit. Kill them. You don't go here, ha? You chingchong la, ha? Indian, Vietnamese, Taiwanese, Filipino number 1. Kill them. Oh, we get extra loot.
May blood na dito.
Boom.
Oh, I kill.
Oy, ito ang...
Yo,
sila tira.
Nasaan
Be careful,
na sila?
careful.
Nandito na, Terry.
Yo, battle mount, go to the Terry. Help them.
Oy, ito.
15% na lang
Paping
yung
isa niya.
mage.
Tering.
Meron pa dito,
Castle,
isa.
Tering,
Ano yan?
need help.
Need help? Castle? Terry, go to the Terry, guys. Yeah, we're coming.
I need help, wait. I'm dying.
Yo, help nyo, guys!
Hold on, bro.
Only one person in the castle. Go, others go.
Trigger ko, Azot and Fia.
Di pa open yung castle. Oy.
Yan nga eh.
Gagi, mamatay ako.
Sige lang,
I-ano nyo lang, papunta na kami.
bigyan naman eh.
I-ano nyo lang, tag dito.
Ay,
Yung
gagi.
goal hindi.
Oh no.
Yun out.
Fuck, they got...
Naka-declare.
Tangina nyo naman.
Nalot niyo
Palaga
yung
nyo.
castle?
Gagi pa, pinalagay namin, madami. Patay din si Fia dun eh.
Oh, makancel
Flash
nyo
ng
lang.
banner.
Oo, wala talagang banner. Maka-zone lang yan. Kasi, tangina, pinahirapan pa yun. Wala na.
Dalawa tuloy yung ano natin.
You only got one job eh.
Ilan ba yung mem dito?
Buong second party
Kaya
natin.
ayaw ko mag-zone in kanina dun
Tatlo lang kami nandito.
castle eh.
Tatlo lang kayo?
Oo.
7 yung second party kanina eh. Dalawa lang battle mount.
Nagbablab nga dito kanina eh, kaya ano eh.
Sumunod data sa inyo.
So, my God, I told you, second party.
Yo!
Nandun lang ako, si Fia doon, ako, tsaka dito.
Alvin after 6, yung ibang DPS ng Alvin dapat dito eh.
Sabi na eh, dapat din na ako sumunod dun eh.
Dapat.
Hindi, ikaw kasing Spike, kailangan ka dito sa first party.
Mas importante kasi ito eh.
Tsaka parang pangit yun ang fight. Ang laki natin kanina doon sa atin. Yung mga DPS mo na party to, sumunod rin.
Told you, second party in the fucking Terry eh. Only, yung battle mount is the only one who can move eh.